The fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of wind, but the goodness in a person spreads in all the directions. Among us, we have such an inspiring personality, Dr. Swati Saxena, our Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am, who has battled against all the odds and reached the pinnacle of success. She's known for her equality in actions and integrity of her intent.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you which is greater than any obstacle, because you know the expert in anything was once a beginner. I, Dr. Swati Saxena, Vice Principal, SISTEC Gandhinagar, welcome you all at the Sagar Group of Institutions. I am delighted that you have joined SISTEC for your BTech program. Fantastic to have you all here. This day, when our new students commence, is one of the most exciting thing for everyone in the institute. Though this year is something different, where we are using this digital ecosystem and welcoming you through virtual orientation program. As Vice Principal, my first job is to make you familiar about the group, our institute. So, let's begin your journey through virtual presentation. The Sagar Group, having started the journey in 1983, as you know, has a proven identity in real estate and constructions, education, manufacturing and nutriments. SISTEC is rather young intervention and takes pride in having made itself into a strong contender in technical education in Central India. Founded in 2007, has a proud history of successful outcomes for students just like you. Our main motive is to generate knowledge and transform young students into professionals. We aim to create professionals with distinct edge. This is in tandem with our mantra, transmitting professionalism. Life. You are leaving childhood behind and moving towards adulthood. You are on a cusp, neither a child anymore nor an adult yet. These 4 years are going to be epoch in your life, a transition phase from a child to an adult. The things, the habits you make now are going to be there with you for entire life. You would be learning, experimenting with the learning, reinforcing the learning, innovating in the process, and exploring new facets through participation. By the end of the session, we hope to see you evolved to the next level. Today marks the first sojourn of your very special journey, which ordinarily takes 4 years. So let me tell you about us, about what we do, what we believe in, and what we value. Above all, we are all about students, their learnings, their needs, and even their problems. We are about the whole child. We are an institute which is completely student-centric, and so all our efforts, our work, and our endeavors revolve around the achievement of each student's potential, academically, socially, emotionally, and technically. Our staff is committed, caring, and professional in all that they do. As teachers and as trainers, each person of SISTEC cares about the quality of your education. Even in an online environment, you will find that our faculties are wonderful and they will give you the same personal attention that you will receive in face-to-face classroom. So, during your degree program, you will not only learn about your chosen field, but you will learn from the cultures and experiences of our faculties and senior students, gaining important skills for our ever-changing 21st century. The men behind the success of this great conglomerate are respected Chairman Sir, Shri Sudhir Kumar Agrawal. He is the visionary with whose directions we are working towards the progress of this society through education. He is the most noble and kind person under whose guidance this entire group is growing and proceeding towards a better tomorrow for everyone. Most importantly, he is a model of integrity who exemplifies and steward organizational values of honesty, responsibility, empathy, and public service. Our Managing Director, Mr. Siddharth Agrawal, is the most young and dynamic leader. He graduated with a degree in civil engineering from Manit in the year 2008. From a very young age, he has committed himself for the advancement of this group with innovative ideas. He has excelled as a leader across all domains, from the intellectual and the organizational to the ethical and the human. Principal Sir, having graduated in mechanical engineering from the Institution of Engineers, he obtained his master's degree from IIT Delhi in 1999 and PhD in thermal engineering from Jamia Millia Islamia University. Dr. Keshvendra Chaudhary boasts for more than decades experience in research and academics. He is a seasoned scholar and profound technocrat under whose leadership we have been able to navigate the path to success. Kushwaha Sir is one of the founder member and the most important pillar of the system. He heads the administration department and looks after the well-being of every student in the campus. He is the guardian and fatherly figure for all the students residing in the hostel. If we look at our pedagogy, it can be clearly comprehended that our method of teaching is distributed among 4 different areas. First, learner-centric. We help students by providing all the means necessary to understand each individual subject and evaluate them on various parameters. Considering these parameters, we try to create an environment which brings the most out of the child. Second, our teaching learning methods are completely dynamic in terms of market demands. Third is trainings. Trainings are the integral part of our system. All types of trainings, whether it is technical training, placement oriented training, personality development training, all are embedded in our daily schedule. And fourth, and hence resulting in the smart and competent industry ready professional or entrepreneur and a good human being. Students, let me introduce you to the various departments at SISTEC. Computer Science Department, headed by Professor Ujjwal Nigam, who is a dynamic leader and software professional. He stresses a lot on making the students technically sound and upgraded. Computer Science program at SISTEC focus on practical exposure along with the technology. Department works on 4x4 customized study module for better learning where 4 theory, 4 practical classes are conducted. As a part of its focus on industry requirements, the department imparts special sessions on Python, Java, web designing, machine learning, Android app development with live major minor project making under the able guidance of trained faculties. Mechanical Engineering Department, headed by Dr. Ravi Shankar Chaudhary. With many years of enriching experience, he imbibes in himself the best of extraordinary leadership and organizational skills. The Department of Mechanical Engineering at SISTEC has been functioning since the inception of the institution and comprises of various modern laboratories and workshops in order to cater the need of students undergoing BTech program. The department strappingly focuses on imparting practical knowledge to the students. It also keeps itself modernized and rejuvenated through SISTEC Mechanical Engineers Association SMEA, a body of budding technocrats that works to systematize different technical events at the college level. The extraordinary mechanical engineering labs and modernized workshops are the integral part of the department to upgrade and diversify technical skills of students. Civil Engineering Department, headed by soft-hearted, soft-spoken, motherly figure having rich industry and teaching experience, Dr. Megha Jain. Civil Department at SISTEC aims to meet the future needs of the construction industry and society by producing professional civil engineers competent in analyzing, designing, and managing solutions for practical engineering problems by imparting sound fundamentals at BTech level. The department has highly skilled and dedicated faculty members having a rich academic background from the best educational institutes of the country. The most important and imperative requirement for a student of civil engineering is to have abundant field exposure and knowledge of on-site workings. To ensure that students have sufficient know-how of field, the department organizes large number of field trips and industrial visits for its students. Electrical and Electronics Department, headed by Professor Ashish Kumar Rai, who has a rich industry experience in power sector and a very vast experience in academics. The power-packed electrical department at SISTEC inspires the budding electrical engineers with the potent idea of constructing generating stations, transmission lines and distribution systems, and to design, test and supervise the manufacture of electrical and electronic equipments used in electrical utilities, buildings, automobiles, aircrafts, radar, navigation system, etc. The department provides suitable forums to enhance the creative talents of students and faculty members with expert sessions conducted during semesters on recent electrical emerging trends by highly experienced industrial professionals. The electrical department aims to enable students to develop skills to solve complex technological problems of current times and also provide a framework for promoting collaborative and multidisciplinary activities. Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, headed by Dr. Ravi Shankar Mishra, has a vast teaching and research experience. Department focuses on latest trends and technology training so that our budding engineers can prove outside in the corporate world. The department works with an end focus on reducing industry and institute gap. Thus, special attention is given to subjects like electronic devices, microprocessor, VLSI, TV and mobile communications, etc. The department has experienced and dedicated faculties with a strong commitment to engineering education, maintaining its streak to be on a growing path. Our main focus is on the overall practical exposure to the students on various aspects of electronics and communication engineering. At the end, students, I would like to give you few tips for your new beginning. College will make you grow, but it does not have to be unmanageable. Disconnect from distractions. Disconnecting from distractions such as social media is so important. Use social media for the sake of improvement of your knowledge. Find effective study skill methods that work for you. Develop an organized study strategy that works best for you and stick to it. Believe me, trying to unscramble your messy notes the night before an exam is only going to slow you down. The earlier you start studying, the happier you will be. The best way to succeed in college is by taking the time to figure out who you truly are and being true to yourself. Regardless of where did you go to school, college will be a new learning experience to you. It will challenge you It will push you, it will push your boundaries, and it will test you. At the end of your degree program, we want you to be proud of what you have learned and what you have achieved, and to know that your investment of your time and resources has been well spent at SysTech. So dear students, my best wishes for your future and happy learning at SysTech. Thank you.
Wow, that was indeed a stimulating presentation. Thank you so much, ma'am, for showcasing us a realistic and sensible approach towards education.